Next up, we have Sue Ennis from the Cranberry Genealogy Club. Sue, I have the same questions for you. If you could share a little bit about your organization, that'd be great.
Thank you so much, Sierra, and I hope everyone's enjoying the Eastern European workshop today as much as I am. Thanks for having it. The Cranberry Genealogy Club is located in Southwest Butler County, Pennsylvania, in Cranberry Township, which is a rapidly expanding suburb north of Pittsburgh and has been since the 80s. In the past 5 years, we've added many members because we've been planning our programs to focus upon learning how to research our ancestry and family history. We try to support each other's genealogical journeys, and we encourage service and outreach with related organizations in our community. For example, we are so fortunate that 1 mile from our meeting place, when we meet in person, we have a Cranberry Family History Center where we volunteer while many other members utilize their great resources avidly. We also participate in an annual program called CranFest, which is a celebration of cultural heritages, and we do so by promoting genealogy through the library there. In addition to our monthly meetings on the 4th Wednesday of most months, which are open to the public, we also have member benefits like participation in short-term study groups and special interest groups, or SIGs. We have a monthly discussion group, Brick Walls and Bagels, held at a local breakfast spot. And we initiated a weekly Genia Break discussion last March using Zoom. And we did that through September on a weekly basis. And now we'll continue it 1 to 2 times a month. In it, we have a methodology mini lesson and a segment about using genealogical software, followed by a very dynamic group discussion. All of these programs promote a vibrant exchange of ideas and the opportunity for all of our members to get to know each other.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for that, Sue. And it sounds like you have a lot going on as far as programming goes. Is there anything you'd like to specifically highlight as far as what's on your calendar?
Sure. This Wednesday evening at 6:30 via Zoom, you can go to our website, cranberrygenealogy.org, and Thomas McEntee will be speaking about using social media for genealogical work. Also, we are looking forward in the Cranberry Genealogy Club to indexing projects for the 1950 US federal census to be released next year. And we are also planning some future field trips to research repositories in Pennsylvania, as we just had a talk from Aaron McWilliams from the Pennsylvania Archives. We'd like to highly recommend that you contact them if you need a program. We're going to continue to support the mission of the Cranberry Township Public Library, our partner, and collaborate with the Cranberry Historical Society and also the little libraries and historical societies in the small towns near us. And although we're currently meeting virtually, we hope to be returning to our meeting room in the Cranberry Library later this year.
Wonderful.
Thanks so much for this opportunity to tell you about the Cranberry Genealogy Club.
Oh, thank you so much, Sue. And I'll direct everyone, Sue, Lorley, please feel free to put any pertinent links into the chat. I'd also recommend that folks check out the digital handouts. We have one highlighted specifically on local partners, where each and every organization you're going to be hearing from today, you'll see a little blurb as well as their contact information and then their websites, should you want to explore more, which we certainly definitely highly recommend.